Today we're going to continue to work on main idea and details. Yesterday I read to you a large piece of text, nonfiction text, that was about different festivals that involved food around our country. And today we're going to pick one small part of that text and we're going to read it and we're going to figure out the main idea of just that small text and the details of that nonfiction text. So our objective today is I can determine the main idea and details of a nonfiction text. And so what I'm going to do in this video is we will be determining together the main idea using different things like repeating phrases or repeating ideas, repeating words, and then also thinking about the first and the last sentences of each paragraph. Those will oftentimes give you ideas about the main idea. So again, I made this just a little bit bigger so that you can see it easier, and I'm going to mark it up a little bit, just kind of thinking about the main idea. So, catfish and lobster. And here we have a picture of a lobster. This is not a crab, it's a lobster. Louisiana is a food lover's paradise. The map at the right shows some of this state's many food festivals. New Orleans, Louisiana is known for many things, including its seafood. At the Louisiana Seafood Festival, people can taste the influence of Cajun cooking. Originally, French colonists in Canada, Cajuns, arrived in Louisiana in 1764. They traveled down the Mississippi River and settled the swamps and bayous. Over time, the Cajun people developed their own customs, which included seasoned dishes. Cajun cooks use cayenne pepper, garlic, and bell peppers to add spice to all kinds of food. And so looking at our map, we have 6 different festivals that involve food, but mostly some sort of seafood. But there are two, the International Rice Festival and the Louisiana Peach Festival are two festivals that just involve food. So it's not just seafood on this one, it's food. And so some of you said your main idea of this whole section was food, but it's a little bit more than food because festivals are also included in this. And it talks about festivals or parties that are used to celebrate the kind of food that most people eat down there. So I'm going to start out with just some repeating ideas, and I'm going to one of the things that I can do is I can circle different parts, and I did this on the other one too. I'm going to make a circle, and I can make it as big or as small as I want to. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an oval instead. Yeah, maybe I'll make a box. That'll be better. All right, so I know that food festivals is one thing that kept repeating. Now, the box shows white right now, but you can make it transparent. I'm going to show you how to do that. We will be learning this also today in our areas of study on our state projects. So all you need to do is go up to this bucket here where it says fill color, and you're going to click on transparent, and then you can see through it. And then you can move it. All right, so, and I think I'm going to make the line a little bit thicker. And you do that in the line thickness here. It's called border weight. So now I've made it a little bit thicker. So food festivals. New Orleans, Louisiana, is known for many things, including its seafood. Okay, so Louisiana is known for its seafood. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here and move it. Seafood. And Here we have the Seafood Festival. That's another repeating idea. I'm going to resize my box so that I can see it. And I think one important idea here is people can taste the influence of Cajun cooking. Influence means that it is like, it's like if somebody influences you to do something, they're kind of trying to convince you, or they're trying to show you ways that it's a good thing. And so we can see that the influence of Cajun cooking is that the Cajuns had a specific way of seasoning their food with, it was really hot. It's hot food. All right, so you might say something about the French colonists in your details. Over time, the Cajun people developed their own customs. Cajun cooks used, okay, so here it's talking again about food. So I'm going to put another, it's talking again about food. Okay. So I think that the main idea is that Louisiana celebrates many food festivals to celebrate Cajun cooking. This talks a lot about the Cajuns. So I'm going to also Cajun cooking. All right. So I have my details. Now, this is not the details that you'll put to support the main idea, but the main idea is that food festivals, and we have food festivals, seafood festival, Cajun cooking, Cajun cooks. So if we put that all together, our main idea is that Louisiana celebrates many food festivals where they have Cajun dishes. Dishes would be as in food. How about if we just put food? Now your job today is to find the supporting details that support this main idea. So any detail that you put down here is going to support Louisiana celebrates many food festivals where they have Cajun food. So it's either going to be about the food in Louisiana or it's going to be about the Cajuns in Louisiana. So go ahead and put your supporting details. I'm going to share this slide with you, and you will be able to have the main idea. You're coming up with the supporting details.